project addresses the need for new houses in the UK and also thermally efficient homes capable of dealing with the Scottish climate. Good quality in both design and construction are required to ensure that the tiny home someone will move into will invoke a real sense of pride and dignity that some often don't associate with houses of this scale. Tiny houses are built for the individual. Creating a space that is tailored to the user must be at the core of a design this small. This means that design must be easily built and involve some degree of standardization concerning the exterior structure. However, the interior space can be versatile enough so that it can suit the needs of the individual and create a deeper feeling of belonging. The Grampian Housing Association logo itself touches on something universally recognized: the archetypal depiction of a home. A simplified form of this can be extrapolated as a gable end which is still reminiscent of the outline. Historically, Scottish black houses use a similar shape, which may be why this is the recognised outline of our quintessential homes. This allows for versatility even at this stage, allowing for this section to be extruded to suit an individual, couple, or family of 3. Using a section of a gable then helps to define the rest of the building, having the length of the structure define how many people it is suitable for. This creates 3 archetypes which can be arranged in clusters to form communities. The standardization of the exterior envelope allows for the interior spaces to be split into custom spaces built for the individuals. The 3 lengths can accommodate a range of living situations and lifestyles whilst providing integrity in design and pride in someone's sense of ownership. Efficient use of advanced building technologies such as structurally insulated panels, and this leans into the adaptability achieved in the interior spaces. The design allows for mezzanine levels to be installed, making better use of the ground floor space. Minimizing the amount of walled rooms cuts down on materials, cost, and time whilst creating open plan living spaces to be proud of. Keeping the users in mind, we aim to create a series of furnishings that allow for complete adaptability of the interior space depending on their needs and preferences. The building rests on jack pads which act as a foundation. Adaptable to the site, this reduces the amount of time for groundwork. The structure consists primarily of structurally insulated panels due to their efficient thermal performance and prefabrication. The panels are easy to assemble and would require minimal labour once on site. The SIPs make up the floor, wall, and roof structure, allowing for a streamlined construction phase. The facade is dressed with a staggered charred larch. By charring the timber, there is no need for further treatment for the facade. The burnt surface of the timber cladding offers a natural protection against mould, insects, UV rays, and weathering. Ironically, it also becomes more resistant to fire too. This is cost effective as minimal upkeep is required after construction. A standard wall build-up starts with the internal finish, which is sustainably manufactured birch 15mm plywood. Within the 170mm polyurethane core insulation, servicing channels can be installed. This can offer an alternative method of servicing throughout the building. The exterior sheathing boards then complete the SIP with standard 15mm OSB. Then, a damp-proof membrane is installed, making the interior watertight. Vertical battens are then installed to allow drainage of the exterior void. Horizontal battens follow to allow exterior vertical cladding to be attached. The 2 exterior cladding panels are then installed. First the natural finished larch, then the charred larch, which completes the build-up. Aligning the buildings on the north to south axis creates 2 opportunities for environmental solutions. Buildings with a south-facing gable window can utilize solar gain to provide the vast majority of heating throughout the day, whereas those facing north can utilize the pitch of the roof to have a solar array that will provide the energy to maintain another heat source. Several options have been discussed for heating that would inevitably be a user decision. For instance, a wood stove could be used at the expense of floor space, yet provide a direct heat source and central home feature. Underfloor heating, however, makes use of all the floor space, works with the renewable setup on the roof, and is a more passive approach to the heating of the space. As shown, the interior space can also make use of emerging technologies like CNC routing. By creating standardized kitchen cabinets with the same plywood interior finish, it is making use of a widely available material and using it seamlessly in every aspect of the design. Every cabinet can be routed so that assembly is simple and can be adapted to fit a variety of interior setups. There are more conventional arrangements such as this potential street layout that joins units. Many different arrangements could be achieved, and with varying unit types, this would create a diverse community of different lifestyles. As shown, this design solution can be implemented in a range of environments, including a rural forested area which allows for more privacy to each unit.